protein. iPhone protein, girl, what? COUCOU. Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Mariah. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a fun, exciting video for you guys, and it's another bag review. And today we'll be reviewing this Mini Rowan bag from the Coach outlet. I purchased this bag back in December as a Christmas/birthday gift to myself, and I've been styling this bag ever since. And today I wanted to sit down and give you guys all the details when it comes to size, what fits, the pros and cons, quality, and whether or not I think this bag is worth buying. This is the Coach Mini Rowan. It's from the Coach outlet line. It comes in a variety of colors and the signature coated canvas. So the dimensions are 7 inches in length, 4.75 in height, and 4 inches in width. As you can see, she's very tiny, which I love a tiny mini bag. So yes, it's small, but it's structured and quite boxy, which actually helps maximize the interior space. It has this classic Boston style silhouette, very similar to the larger Rowan or the Speedy bag from Louis Vuitton. And I love that it keeps that timeless shape. So for the material and the quality of this bag is a top tier. From the stitching to the hardware, you can tell that they pay attention to details. Of course, the iconic Coach canvas material, so the iconic Coach signature coated canvas with the leather trim. So the coated canvas material of this bag makes this bag lightweight, durable, it's water resistant, and it holds its shape pretty well. I got caught in the rain. This bag got wet, and as you can see, there's no water damage or whatsoever. So it's definitely water resistant. The leather trim all throughout the bag just gives it structure, and the zipper is super smooth, which is important because sometimes on a mini bag, the zipper opening can feel quite tight, but this one just glides nicely. Now let's talk about the top handle and the strap. My two favorite features of this bag. I was looking for a mini bag that was crossbody but also can turn into a top handle, and Coach just nailed it when it comes to the design. It hit the mark on what I was looking for in a bag. Now let's start with the top handle. The top handle has about 2.75 inch drop. It's a lot of room to hold. You can hold it with 2 hands, and the size just makes it convenient to carry. As you can see, due to the size, it's not one of those handles where you can fit it comfortably over your arm. But it also comes with a detachable strap that has about 23.5 inch drop. You can wear it crossbody, over the shoulder, or remove it completely for a top handle mini moment. I actually love that it includes the 2 card slots, and because with mini bags, space is precious, which means you can skip carrying bulky wallets or card holders. The opening is decent for a mini bag because it's structured. It doesn't collapse on itself, which makes it easier to get in and out of the bag. And for the fun part, what can this baby fit? What can she eat in one go? I already have my credit card and my IDs in the bag. I can comfortably fit my iPhone 14 Pro Max, my credit cards and ID, keys, lip gloss, lip pencil, my Chanel compact mirror, and my Canon G7X. As you can see, this little lady can put it away, okay? I'm not compromising my go-to essential due to the size of the bag. So if you're someone who carry just in case item, this may feel limited. And because it's small and lightweight, it's comfortable to wear, especially with the option of styling it crossbody. You can be hands-free. Even if it's fully packed, it doesn't feel heavy, guys. The strap isn't super thick, as you can see, but it works perfectly. It's not one of those straps that would dig into your shoulders. Y'all know how I feel about those. But these are comfortable, and I love the fact that you can definitely adjust the length of the bag depending on your height and also how low you want your bag to hang. So now let's dive into the pros and cons. So the pros and cons for me, starting with the pros, I love the classic timeless silhouette of this bag. It's lightweight, durable. I love the versatile carrying option from top handle to crossbody. I love the structure. There's nothing in this bag and it's still standing on its own and keeping its shape. I truly think it's affordable comparing to retail Coach bags out there. Another pro, it comes with this bag charm that you can detach if you don't want the charm on the bag, but I love it. And also it has a mirror. And moving on to the cons would be that it's very small. For some people that might be a problem, but me personally, I was looking for a mini bag, so the size does not bother me, but for most it'll be a problem. But it's a mini bag, guys. You cannot buy a mini and expect it to perform as a tote bag. For some people that might be a con, especially for the overpackers, let me carry this item just in case type person. And then another con, if you're overstuffing this bag, it could feel a little snug. Don't overstuff the bag. Last but not least, there's not a lot of compartments or pockets. Aside from the 2 card slots, I wish there was at least a zipper on the opposite side to where I can put any item. For some reason, I'm not really comfortable with my cards being on the slot like this, and sometimes if the bag's not zipped, I don't know, I just don't feel secured, but it's not a problem. I could just always keep my bag zipped. Those are the only cons I can see some people like myself would have. But overall, I give this bag a 9 out of 10. So overall, I think this Mini Rowan Coach bag is really cute. I don't know what to name her. I've never named my items, and I think I want to start doing that. So what should we name her? But this bag is very simple, versatile, and easy to style. Would I recommend this bag? Absolutely yes. If you know what you're signing up for when it comes to the size and all, then definitely would recommend this bag. But there you have it, lovely. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know in the comments, would you rock this Mini Rowan? Let me know. And if you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you all in my next one.